This is the back of the Zeppelinfield stadium, and it is just mind-bendingly awesome. Some of the gates there. This is where the man himself, Hitler, would have walked through there. All fenced off, blocked off. They don't want anyone getting any souvenirs. That's where the Nazi swastika would have been up there. Yeah, I've seen that, Rob. Yeah, but you're never going to get in through them doors. They'll be locked, won't they?
Could be, don't know.
I dare you to go and try.
Do you actually?
What, into a Nazi building?
Yeah.
There might be zombies in there, Robert.
Do you actually dare me?
Could be Nazi zombies.
Are you looking for cameras, actually? I'm looking for goddamn cameras, it don't look like it. Dad, do you dare me?
Yeah, go on then. Let's see if you dare.
Hopefully not what? Are you coming?
Oh no. Well, you stood where a few people have stood, Robert. Told you. Right, come on son, before you get your collar out. Somebody's behind the fence over there.
What?
Hang on. Aye. You want fenced up always, because there's somebody's rubbish still there.
He's boarding up again.
Yeah.
Wish they didn't.
Inside the Zeppelin grandstand, designed by architect Albert Speer, there is a large hall of 335 square metres. Hell. Love it. Whew. Vast openness. The Germans want to forget. Try cunts. Why has that got a vent on it? Not really preserved it in there.